welcome to the vlog, coming you today from the beautiful 50th anniversary Camaro. We are on our way to
Kentucky,
Bowling Green, Kentucky for Camaro Fest 2019. Sorry that today's vlog was a little bit late, just running late on everything, so we're going to be coming into Bowling Green quite late tonight, unfortunately. But anyway, hopefully we're going to bring you some great content. You should really enjoy it. We're going to try to bring you any news, anything we hear about the 7th Gen Camaro and what's going on with the Camaro in general. And I'll probably be live streaming from the event. Like I said, follow me on Facebook. I'm going to put that info out. And then if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Support a veteran vlogging about cars, coffee, life, baby. And we got a long drive ahead of us, and we'll probably see you either at a rest stop or Kentucky. Stop number one just south of the core of Birmingham, and unlike last year when I stopped at the rest area and I complained about how bad the roads were beating me up, so far they've been paved and it's been quite wonderful. The beautiful 50th right here has been absolutely flawless, and now we're going to my honey's favorite place to eat, Panera Bread. After you. Oh. Check this place out. Look at the size of this bathroom. Wow. Fridge, microwave, coffee maker, baby. Yeah, coffee. Look at this thing. Wow. Look at a double desk right here. Or just a single, but look at this thing. Chair, bed. Heck yeah. Oh yeah, this is nice. Oh, I gotta go get the wife. She's sitting outside with all of the bags. It's been a very long day. It's what, 2 in the morning?
Yeah.
Damn, 2 in the morning. This is what we do to bring you guys good content. Well, anyway, we're gonna put all this gear up and go to bed. We'll see you in the morning. So, good morning from Bowling Green, Kentucky. We've had our hotel breakfast, and we are not at Camaro Fest. We are not at the Corvette Museum. We're at an orchard so somebody can get fresh fruit. This is probably the only Camaro here in Bowling Green that you will see at this orchard. What is this, just apples?
Apples, peaches, plums,
Oh boy.
pear.
Alright guys, so I gotta do what makes her happy, and then we're going to the Corvette Museum. Check out the sinkhole cars. While the wife does her fruit and flower thing, I found Guy parking right here. This lovely peaceful bench under this nice tree right here. Just waiting for her to wrap up. The only thing I need right now is a cup of coffee. Why didn't I stop somewhere and get a cup? I don't know. Anyhow, as soon as we get done, if I can ever get her out of here, we are going to the Corvette Museum, baby. Go check that place out. I've been there once before, but that was prior to the sinkhole, so I'm kind of interested to see that whole thing. And like any museum, I'm pretty sure it's changed through time, and it's been quite a while since I've been there, so this should be interesting.
Oh, that was
All right, everybody, guess where we are? That's right, the National Corvette Museum, baby. It's a little bit busy because of Camaro Fest. Lots of Camaros here in the parking lot. And of course I gotta have music playing so I'll get copyright strict. tough stuff for any car guy to watch and see, but it keeps us safe. So I've never seen that before. It's actually like diagram how all the cars landed. It's pretty cool. So this is actually like a whole new feature of the museum that's been here since last time I've been here. So the accident Corvette was tough to see, was even more gut-wrenching to see for a car guy is the sinkhole Corvette. Wow. Oh my god, look at the seat. It's literally like that wide. Oh my god, look, the passenger seats actually smash into the driver's seat. I've seen videos of this before, but nothing compares to seeing this in person. I mean, nothing. Oh my god. Of course, the blue one and the white millionth Corvette were restored. Wow, sad, man. It's just sickening. But look at the rest. I mean, the rest of the place is pretty cool. This is like one of my favorite things to mock up the assembly line. Watch the body drop down. It's pretty cool. But they actually got two vets like this, one coming down and one finished.
It is right. We have on-site tracks and tracks in America, but there's nothing quite like the curve.
Insane total carbon fiber roof and that on that car. 2012 ZR1. Here's some of the concept vets. It's pretty cool. Hey Cletus, it's Leroy. Without the twin turbskis. It's pretty cool, one Corvette for each generation there. Pretty soon they're going to have an opening here for the C8, which would probably be where that red car is. It's pretty cool. If you come here, look for this red tape on the floor. This is where the actual sinkhole was. You can actually look down into the cave that's still underneath the museum here. It's pretty cool. I didn't know this was a ZR1. Oh my god, the original ZR1. I didn't know until I realized I looked at the engine. How sad. Probably the first and only double overhead cam Corvette that I'm aware of. So for those of you that might not know, these cars here, when you first enter, are deliveries. You can actually select that option when you buy a Corvette for Corvette Museum delivery. It's a pretty cool option. I think that's something I would do instead of having it go to a dealer. You can pick it up right here. All these cars are going to be picked up by customers here at the museum. So she's going to put in for the raffle for a C8 Corvette, and I get to keep it, right?
Yes, you get to keep the car.
How awesome. I get the best wife. She's going to buy me a C8. Maybe it'll be like these two. They just won that car. I never win anything. God, I found my car. I found it. Ooh, nice. The trunk lid. You see? I have never seen that in my life. Can't say I'm a fan of it, sorry. So we're on our way over to the hotel parking lot meet. We're gonna get the 50th a quick little bath because she's a little dirty for the rain we got caught up in. So we can get her looking good and be on our way. Trying to do this where the music doesn't mess with me, but there's the brand new LT1 and there's the 2020 SS. You can see they actually did move the bow tie back into the grill and painted the entirety of the front end. That to me is looking a whole lot better than what they did for 19. I think that's going to probably, it should help improve the sales of the Camaro. Plus I don't know, the LT1 kind of carries that RS grill. I'm not too big on that, but I mean, you can always swap these front end parts. It's still a Camaro. So here at the parking lot at the convention center, met one subscriber. Pretty cool. Glad to have met you. We're still walking around a little bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the vlog here. I kind of wanted to have something as a cool backdrop. So again, apologize for the stuff being late. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and give a thumbs up. It's pretty cool. Guitar McGinn's here with both his cars and Lethal Camaro parked side by side, so that was pretty cool to see them. Anyway, I'm gonna probably walk around a little bit and go back to the hotel room. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, and see you tomorrow, Camaro Fest.